Guess what's in here?
What? What's in here?
This came from Colligo Marine. Let's take a look, shall we? Open it up.
Tape again.
Wow, just what I always wanted. Paper.
Bro.
How did they know? Wow, look at this.
Bro.
We're going to have to keep this together.
Bro.
Here, hold on. Let me get a bag.
That is a green bubble wrap. There's a lot of green bubble wrap. This is heavy. I have no idea what this is. $25 and 7.
Nope, 25.7 feet.
Oh.
Morgan,
A
462.
462. Todd, Tammy,
Lower,
4.
This is replacement rigging for our boat. We're going with all Dyneema rigging. Both of these boxes right here have rigging for both masts and new chain plates. And all together they lay less than 100 pounds. If this had all been steel cable for rigging, it would have weighed a heck of a lot more. This might be a chain plate.
Probably. Good.
So that is one of our chain plates. And these are made out of titanium.
Titanium?
Titanium. And this would have the upper and lower shroud together on it. It's a little smaller chain plate because it's the mizzen mast.
Is the mizzen mast the smaller mast?
Yes, it is. I'll let you hold that.
Hey, Daddy, what?
This is some sort of a turnbuckle system, which there are
There's a lot.
several.
Ooh. I know what those
Aren't
are.
they pretty?
I've seen those before. Why is it blue?
Colligo Marine logo.
Cotter pins.
Cotter pins. So those will need to stay in here too. So
What are those?
oh, this goes through the mast up above. So this goes through the mast, and our lower shrouds are going to hook to those around these guys.
It's a nice day out to go sailing.
Are we going sailing today?
Yep. We're gonna go get the boat after this.
Our little boat.
Very
yeah,
cool.
our little boat, not our big boat.
Alright, let's put stuff back in this box.
Alright.
What's the name of our little boat?
Spoonful?
Teaspoon?
Teaspoon?
Spoonful? What is it?
We haven't decided yet. Teaspoon or spoonful? Which-
I like spoonful. I like
Well, when we're all in it, it'll be pretty full.
Wow, that really doesn't weigh anything.
I know.
that.
You want to poke it in? Very careful, don't stick it in too far. Oh my gosh, more brown paper.
Oh,
More brown paper.
Go sailing?
Careful.
I fell. You might go out to eat.
Because I might go out to eat. You want to go sailing with us?
Yeah, these are for the main.
Wow.
They actually go this way.
Way big and thick.
No, don't use those.
Chain plate distribution fork. I'm guessing does something like that. One of the things that I like about Colligo is that they do create all of these fittings for us, which makes it easier. And with the turnbuckles that we have, it allows us to be able to adjust and tune the rigging a little easier. They also go through and pre-stretch all of the lines. So we could have done all this ourselves. We could have done it by stretching and splicing our line and then re-stretching periodically over and over again to tune the rig. But that was just a lot more work than I wanted to do. So that's why we chose to go with them as opposed to doing it ourselves. for now, this is going to stay in the boxes. We're not ready to do our rigging yet. We will definitely include you in a video when we start changing all this out so you can see it happen as it goes.
How are we gonna
See you later. Like our videos, subscribe. Feel free to leave comments if they're on. If not, head on over to Facebook. You'll see a link down below that will take you to a place where you can actually comment. Right, girls?
Yep.
And we're going to go sailing. See you later.
And what's the box?